when your Renogy controller shows nothing, not even an error, and 10.9 on your deep cycle. Got the little blue charging light, but nothing but 0 input, 0%, and 0 jacker. Not only is it 11 point something, no cooler. 7:35 a.m. 808dragon.com. And the fact that there's 0 on the lithium means no lights, nothing, just dark. It is raining. Well, I can at least reactivate Voltron here real quick. As soon as I hit that switch, bam, we got something. I'm not dead anymore. But that went down to 9.9. And that says 10.10, 10.1. It's just wet and raining. There ain't no sun, bro. I'm gonna hook up that battery over there in a minute just to have extra. It ain't much, but until the lithium gets some charge from some sun somewhere, that's all I got for electricity. And of course the deep cycle goes down to 9.7, pretty down low there, boy. But there's that light, there's that light. And if I want that light, but not much. And of course 9.9, anything below 10.5 gives me an error 1, or 11.5, whatever you want to call it. So that's where we're at. 9.9 error 1, and 9.7 where it says error 1 basically on the lithium. 58 degrees is pretty cold. Daylight savings time is actually 7:35. I think I'm gonna make me some hot chocolate coffee. Pretty damn wet. Ain't no sunrise, ain't no sun, ain't no solar, boy. Yes, whistle. Oh my god, that's a good whistle.